Organizations today need a high-impact goal-setting process to drive their strategies to success. Objectives and key results, also known as OKRs, allow organizations to set the what's with clear objectives and track their success through the how's with measurable parameters called key results. PeopleCues by X to 10X facilitates OKR implementation quick and effectively. The OKR module of PeopleCues helps in organization-wide alignment, cross-teams collaboration and coordination, execution and review rigor, track performance, and foster transparency across your organization. Let's see how. PeopleCues helps you get a bird's-eye view of your organization's goals and track progress. You can define your company's goals and cascade them to the entire organization, enabling teams to align on driving company goals and bring focus to important things. This way, everyone can answer, "Where do I fit?" Create and assign OKRs to individuals from any team and bring open collaboration. When you assign an OKR to someone, they can accept or reject an OKR based on their capacity. You can bulk upload your organization goals in a self-serve way and start seamlessly. Mention your team members and discuss key initiatives. Call out for help, ask for an update, or assign a task. Recorded work coordination on every OKR helps identify bottlenecks as well. Bring execution rigor with weekly check-ins and capture real progress made against your success metrics. You can break your success metrics into smaller milestones and celebrate small wins. Follow teams and use the summary dashboard to review your team OKRs. This helps run your functional reviews seamlessly. For one-on-one reviews, use the advanced filter view and select the individual owner. The OKR user board empowers you with everyone's OKR performance at a glance. And if you need to nudge anyone for an update, just click on Send Reminders. You can ask your team, peers, and managers for feedback on your performance right within PeopleCues where your OKRs are visible. Get continuous feedback and reviews without waiting for your performance cycle to happen. PeopleCues empowers everyone in the organization to see clearly how the company goals are moving at any point of time, creating an environment of transparency. There's more. PeopleCues enables your OKRs flow into performance reviews and feedback, making your performance management system more robust and eliminate bias. PeopleCues can be integrated with Slack, MS Teams, Jira, and Google Sheets to help you with company-wide adoption and collaboration. Standardized templates on OKR Bank can help you get started in a self-serve way, making your OKR implementation smooth and exciting. At X to 10X, we have supported over 150 organizations with writing and driving execution rigor on OKRs. PeopleCues is a manifestation of our experience and expertise that can help you implement OKRs easily. Besides driving OKRs implementation, PeopleCues can help you effectively drive performance management and employee engagement. Visit x to 10x.com to know more.